Dharmangar Kidzee International School van met with an accident on the way to school. School van driver was severely injured in the incident, but luckily the students were safe. The incident took place at West Diwan Pasha area of Dharmangar on Friday morning. According to the news, it is known that the van driver left for Kidzee International School with the students in a school van with the registered number TR053590 on Friday as usual. But as soon as the van arrived at West Diwan Pasha area, one of the students asked to go to the washroom and the driver took the students out of the van. At the meantime, a student in the car starts the car and puts his hand on the accelerator. As a result, the car started running forward uncontrollably. After witnessing the incident, the car driver started running behind the car. At one point, the car fell to the ground on the side of the road and the driver fell under the car. Locals witnessed the incident and rushed to rescue the students along with the driver. Later, fire service personnel were informed to the rescue. Meanwhile, the locals made their point that this incident occurred as the driver of the van was not careful. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.